problem we got here today is seems to run at a constant speed, inches per minute, no matter what the feed rate was set in the software. Let me give you an example here. This is the pattern that I'm using here, and starting over there on the bottom on the left, the speed's at maximum 150. Next one over is 100, 80, 20, and then just to see what happens, I went all the way up to 250 on this one and then down to 200 on that one, and these are the same up here. This is 150, 100, 80, 50, 250, and 200. And one of the easiest ways is listen to the tone of the stepper motors. They don't seem to change. So this is an air cut, so it'll be cutting about that far off. No need to waste any material or anything like that. So let's see here. Pulling up the file here, and this is a speed test. All right, and there we go. Listen to the pitch. It's always the same when it's cut. Alright, now, as you can see, it all seems to be running at a constant speed, and I'm not really sure what it is, but we'll have a better idea here. Hopefully this works. Now apparently there is a setting here. Let's see if we can get it up here, you can see it better. I'm going to go ahead and hit menu, and then the Auto Pro setup. And we're looking for G code. I believe that's towards the bottom. There we go. G code setup. Now, on that first line there, the F read, that's apparently the speed setting coming from the software. And over on the right there, you see it says ignore F. Well, that needs to change. So let's see if I can do this. To read F. So we'll hit that. Oh, sorry. and read F and read F. That's what we should have. So now, repeat the machining and see if there's any change. Hopefully there is. There we go. Sounded like it ran faster the other way. Now it should run slower. Huh? I know I've got that Z set to like 30, and I believe it was 60 before. This should be 80. Can't wait to see what happens when it reaches that 250. I think this is 200. Nope, that's 50. Next one will be 200 and then 250. Well, that definitely solved the problem. But I still wanted to go faster. Now we'll check the rotary here in a minute. It was doing the same thing, incredibly slow. Now, here we go. See high speed. Oh yeah. That definitely makes a difference. If you run it at quicker than 150, you run the risk of losing steps. And you miss a step and it's all over. There's stepper motors, not servo motors. Now here we go, 250. Maybe I should try 300 and 600. Alright, well, let me get back here and we'll set up the there we go, high speed. Got the rotary back here all set up, ready to go. And we'll get that going here and see if that makes any difference. I have a rotary test also, so I'll get back to you here. Alright, now this is the corrected rotary speed. I don't think we need to go through that uncorrected one, but so hit, let's see what this one does. Oh yeah. Twice as fast as it was before. Very nice. That'll work. That's 100. That first was 150. And 80. And 150. Or no, that's 50. The next one should be 200. No, that's 50. Sorry. That's about where it was before, I think. It does take a long time. Here we go. Super high speed. Nice. And then 250. Even faster. Kind of hard to tell. Oh, in any case, it's a G-code setup, and the F-read equals F-read. So if your machine's running at a constant speed and you can't seem to control your feed rate, that'd be the first thing to check. And much thanks to Chad at Axiom for always coming up with the answer in a quick manner within 24 hours, as long as it's not the weekend. Take care. Good luck.